What's up, everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you is that how you can create completely free website with a free domain and a free hosting. So I'm going to tell you that step by step. So must watch this video up to end. And now let's begin this video. If you don't know what is domain and what is hosting, so let me clarify this to you. Domain is going to be actually your website name, like amazon.com. This is going to be the domain, but the content and images and your videos and each and everything, where it's going to be stored, that thing is called hosting. Hope so it will be clear to you. And now let's begin this, that how you can create your website. So right now this is my website. You can see that each and everything what I offer. If you need any sort of service from it, so you can watch out to my to my website, and I can give you that with affordable price, and it's going to be inshallah very professional. Just so open a Google Chrome and search Odoo and open the first new website and click on start now. It's free. So here you are, poor option website, e-commerce, e-learning, and live chat. Search on click on the website, sorry, and right here just put your first name, email, phone number, each and everything, and enter, and let's do it. I want a business website. It's hard, so I search what sort of website you want. So I'm gonna go with the online store, whatever business you name. So just click on that and go hit enter, and then let's go with the color of your website. So choose the petal color of your website. Then once you select your color, you can see that add pages and features. So whatever you want, you can definitely choose that. And here are your free templates. Just select one of your template, and once just click on that, and your website is going to be creating. Okay, I pause this just for video. So yeah, this is creating for a little while. I'm gonna wait and do hit welcome. Your website is completely created for free. This is your domain. You can see that I've given the name setplatform.odoo.com. But before that, open your Gmail and just you can see that click to activate database. Click on it, this button, and your database for this website is going to be created. So now if you want to, you can see the each and every page, homepage, shop page, services, about us, contact us, in each and everything. You can edit that, but just on simple clicking, like this is drag and drop, okay, editor, which is really amazing, cool feature from the Odoo website. I love that. And the contact form, you can see contact us page, you can see, which is created completely your name, phone number, email, company, each and everything, question, each and everything. But in the corner you can see the edit button. When you click on that, so you can edit the page, okay, and you can edit the menu, each and everything. Here are all the blocks which you can edit, like for example images, people, text, content, columns, contact us. And if you just click on one, so this sort of pop-up is going to enter in front of you, and you're going to see open, sorry, the intros and the intro. These sort of templates are already they have given to you in the column content. These sort of already would, once you explore this by yourself, you're going to learn this, okay. Images and people, text, and each and everything, these all already are what we say, like ready-made templates. So you can just have to click on it, okay, and it's going to be on the side in front of you. So each and everything, you can see that in the text, and or other parts, like you can add social accounts, okay, like directly your Instagram account. And you can add your obvious location or your this business, if you create e-commerce. So you can put the location of your store right here. Edit the menu by clicking it, and you can see the first one, the third one option, click on it. You can drag and drop. By dragging and dropping, you can put them above, or in the middle, or whatever you want. Click on the seven. You can you can do each and everything just by clicking and drop, okay, which is really amazing and cool feature from the Odoo side. So you can add any sort of button. For example, I'm gonna add a button. Just click on the button, and you can see when you click on the button, there are three options, edit link, or copy link, or remove the link. Just click on the edit link, and whatever button you want that the customer should go to the website or any page or any product. So just have to give that link of that thing, okay, of the product or anything, whatever action you want to take on the customer. Just click on that, and you can edit all the things in line text, or you can change the color, you can change each and everything of this button just by simply editing, like a Photoshop you can do. Okay, if I think I click on your logo, so you can see at the bottom right here, the replace green button. I'm gonna click on that, and I just have to upload that from your computer, sorry, my computer, not from your computer. And you can simply upload that, and it's going to be aid on the menu if you want. So you can do anything, and then at the right corner click on the save button, it's going to be saved. Okay. And if you want to edit something, like for example, I'm going to edit the email, so I'm going to select this and I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to write whatever I want. For example, I'm going to write sayyadizhar@gmail.com. By the way, guys, it's completely fake. Okay, it's not mine, so don't do any sort of email. Now if you want to add any sort of page, you can see that new button, click on that and just add the page button, product, blog post, event, form, job, and each and everything you can add by sort of find and form. Each of these are completely for free, bro, completely for free, which is a really amazing feature. If you want to add new product, because it's already online store, just click on the product. Okay. And search right here. Oh, sorry. Baby cloth. Okay, product name baby cloth. Okay, I'm just gonna give this for a dummy product. Okay, so it's not a real. I'm gonna go with the barcode. Okay, and the sale price. Okay, 15 or whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna go sell tax 17%, remain, keep it remain. A website category, just remove this and click on the save. You can upload it, a picture of your product from here. Okay, and just click on the save button and write your product as you can see on the screen in front of myself. Okay, in front of yourself as well. And if you want to edit, you can, by just click on your place, you can edit the product images and everything. Just click on the save, and in the home page, now I am on the website, which is actually a mine website. Okay, this is mine website and this is the back end of it. If you want to switch the theme of it, like I don't like this theme, you can see the at the right corner button, edit button, click on that, and you can see the three edit option, like blog, customization, and theme. Just click on the theme. Okay, and once you click on the theme, you can see the in the website section, switch theme. Just click on that and click on OK. Okay, just click on that and click on OK. And template, yeah, these templates are going to come in front of you, and go through with these all template. These are completely for free. Whatever you want, so you can aid that by yourself, which is really amazing feature. I just love this. So just select that and insert that in your website, put that in your website, insert that. Okay, so it's going to be select. Now if you want to see the visitor analytics page view, you can see that in this right corner button. Okay, which is in front of you. Like these are the visitor on my website. Okay, from in Pakistan and USA and Belgium, and these are people I don't know from wherever, but you can see that. Okay, visited to these pages, and this is such a good analytics. Now if your website is completely ready and you want to register your domain completely for free, just come click on the configuration and click on the domain name, the last one, and this sort of pop is going to come in front of you, enter in front of you. If you want to keep the same one or new one, click on new one, just enter your name and select any sort of domain you want. So give your information. I blurred this because my email and my phone number is already in it, so I don't want to, I want to hide my privacy. Okay, so just give and click on continue, and congratulations, and this sort of website is going to enter. You can see these sort of website in front of you. You want to edit, at the right corner you can see the editor, click on the editor option, and again you can edit whatever you want in your website. So this was it for today, and if you love the video and like the video and you think that this was informative, so make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well for seeing the further more informative videos like this. Inshallah, मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए keep learning and keep inspiring. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Bye bye.